2 earbuds, 2 listening experiences. Let's find the one that fits your world. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and Apple AirPods Pro 3 to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro feature a canal-fit design with silicone ear tips and an IP57 water-resistant build for better durability and workouts. In comparison, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 use a lightweight plastic stem design with silicone tips and the same IP57 dust, sweat, and water resistance, but are optimized mainly for the Apple ecosystem and a slightly lighter in-ear feel. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro use a two-way driver system with a woofer and tweeter, plus Samsung's 24-bit high-resolution audio codec and adaptive ANC for detailed sound. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 3 use Apple's custom high-excursion driver and H2 chip, offering features like adaptive audio, personalized spatial audio with head tracking, and hearing health tools such as hearing aid mode and conversation awareness. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro deliver about 6 hours of playback with ANC and up to 30 hours with the charging case, along with Bluetooth 6.1 connectivity. On the other hand, the AirPods Pro 3 offer up to 8 hours of listening with ANC and around 24 hours total with the MagSafe charging case, and they connect using Bluetooth 5.3 with Apple ecosystem features like Find My integration. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are designed to work best with Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets, offering access to exclusive features and customization options. On the other hand, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 integrate deeply with iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and other Apple devices, creating a smooth and highly connected user experience. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro were officially launched in March 2026 with a starting price of approximately $249, positioning them as Samsung's latest flagship wireless earbuds. Meanwhile, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 were released in September 2025, with a starting price of around $249, continuing Apple's presence in the premium wireless earbud segment. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are ideal for Android and Samsung users who want immersive audio, extensive customization, and strong value within the Galaxy ecosystem. Meanwhile, the Apple AirPods Pro 3 are better suited for Apple users who prioritize effortless device integration, premium sound quality, advanced ANC, and a seamless cross-device experience. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.